got a pocket here, we've got a glitter wrap band, and then we've got a tag. We get that question posed to us a lot. How much are your invitations? And I like to say it's kind of like asking how much does a car cost? You know, Mercedes is going to be more expensive than, let's say, a Kia bottom of the line. And the same goes with your invitation. This basically is an invitation. This is considered a moderately priced invitation as compared to this invitation here, which is considered more quality. This will be much more expensive than this, and the basic difference is your paper quality. I like to do this to show that just with my thumb, I can barely move this one. If I swap it out. Thinner paper, thinner price. Your paper thickness will be kind of like the foundation, what you're building on for your invitation. With your better quality invitations, you will also get a better quality envelope versus envelopes that are much thinner. Less paper has gone into them. So that's what your foundation is. Anything you add onto your invitation is going to increase the pricing. For instance, this lovely invite that we recently produced. This has got the invitation inside and it's a pocket. So anything that you're adding to your invitation is always going to be increasing price. We've got a pocket here, we've got a glitter wrap band, and then we've got a tag. So these are 3 upcharges right here. Then on top of that, the printing on this is printed in foil. So foil is an upcharge to your printing. So if we go open this up, we have another glitter layer here, and then each of our pieces is done in foil. So those are the things that add to the cost, but they also add to the gorgeous. See that bling come through? You're going to add a different color to your invitation. Those will be upcharges if you're doing thermography printing. That's pretty much it. Keep those prices down by keeping the amount of bells and whistles that you add to your invitation, or go all out. Everybody is different and everybody has gorgeous on their mind. So make it absolutely fabulous with absolutely fabulous invitations.